So I think if we can figure out a way to make them, and then as a community push them up, we all win. And I think that's the way. So I've only launched one other coin before, and it was just like I didn't really try very hard. I just put like $10 into it to see what would happen. Okay, so I have 2 Solana in this account, and then I think I'm gonna move this. I need to keep some in there to activate the coin on Pump Fund. Let me pull up the chat here. Yeah. It's practice for that too. Okay, so this is the competitor's coin, right? Like, look at this picture, guys. It's just such trash. And I searched to see if anyone held launch one, but you see, you can't even tell. Like what is that? You can't even see it, right? So this will look really good from far away. The Trump gold card will be just barely visible, but visible enough. It looks like someone like barely even tried on it. Looks like they just took this picture right here and just like copied and pasted it. So all right, let's go to Pump Fund here. All right, I'm just gonna cut it so I don't have to worry about it. Yeah. Oh, it's on a 15-minute, that's why. Oh yeah, cut that mofo. Yeah, this is a really good platform to trade on. Oh shit, my bad, guys. Shit, sorry guys, sorry about that. That would be no benefit to you guys to not be able to see it. My bad. Okay, so this is that sucks. Okay, restart. All right, so this is the competitor's coin, Trump gold cards. It is like kind of pumping, but you can't tell what it is by the picture, right? Or the TGC. You can't really tell what it is. The picture needs to like represent what the fuck it is, because that's what you see first. And it's literally just this picture right here slapped onto it. It's not even sized correctly. And then they have no website, no like you click here, it takes you to a Twitter post, which is fine. I don't think there's anything wrong with that, but it doesn't even take you to like where Donald Trump's talking about. So at least people confused. I was really confused. I was like, huh? And I was like, oh, that's actually a cool narrative. And then I looked, I couldn't find anything like that was out. So let's go ahead and we'll close that. All right, so this is where I'm at. So I'm signed into the Pump Fund. It's really easy to make a coin, guys. It didn't take very long at all. So if you guys have any suggestions, like let me know. That way I can change it before I fucking launch it. So I just gave like a description of what the sitch is. Like U.S. President Donald Trump said on Tuesday he wants to begin selling gold cards for $5 million to foreigners. Trump gold cards name, ticker TGC. I was thinking, what do you guys think? I was thinking Trump gold coin or Trump gold card. What do you guys think? Card. Okay. That's what I was kind of thinking too. Okay. And then for the website, like I'm not going to make a website for this because it's not like a community coin. It's not like ooh, maybe that's better, yeah. What do you guys think? Trump card or Trump gold card? I think that we can see the picture looks pretty good. Like I spent quite a while on it, like getting Trump's face in there and shit. I did it all on Canva here. So you see, it's like I took this there, took it off a picture off of Google, slapped it on there, and then I had to delete a bunch of shit off that card because the card had names on it and shit. But I think it would look pretty good because you can see it from far away, like what it is. Like even from there, I can like understand it's like a Trump card. And then I used like a video. It's gonna be the website. Like, it'll take you to the Wall Street Journal video. And then for the Twitter, I just put Donald Trump. I'm not gonna like make a website, make a Twitter, because that would take fucking forever, and I don't think it's really needed. What's the website? Are you talking about pump or pumpkin, whatever? There's actually a couple of them. All right, so now if I want to make the coin, we'll just go ahead. Like, this is an experiment. So, check. All right, so now it says how many Solana do I want to put into it. I think, like, because I'm going to be doing it on different accounts too, I think 0.75 will work fine. All right, and then after I push this, from what I remember, it should just automatically like make it. And then hold on, before I do that, let me get Bullx all set up here, so I can use the dollar cost averaging tool to like keep it's like a buy bot pretty much at that point. All right, so I'll send 1.2 to here. Luckily, Solana's pretty cheap right now, so it's not like super costly to do this. Okay. And then if it does migrate, I get half a Solana back, which isn't bad. I think they should raise that to like kind of like push people into doing it more often. Okay. And then I have 2 Solana on here, and I could sell this if I needed to. All right, so I think we're ready. You guys ready? Create coin. All right, so I think then after this, it'll give me the address. All right, so view coin. Okay, so it is live. All right. Now I'm gonna go into here. I'm gonna fucking rack it. Yeah, you can see the card. It's not as clear as I thought it would be, but you can still tell it's like Trump Gold card. Okay, so there's like 1.5 Solana in there. All right, and then I want to go to Bullx here, and then I need to change this. That's the new method, huh? I'll have to check that out. All right, and then I want to set up the DCA here. Market cap range. See what I'm saying? You got snipers in here that will start selling shit. So amount. Didn't I send 1.7 to here? Or no, that was the other. Okay, never mind. 0.2 and every 5 seconds over 20 trades. Boom. And now I'll just buy 0.05 every 5 seconds, which isn't horrible. Which I think it might, I don't know, it might be better off just to blast it. I don't know. I usually don't trade this low of a market cap. Do any of you guys trade them when they're this low? See, this is what I was saying. Like, you almost need, like, I'm gonna spread this out more though, because now it looks kind of like a bot's running it. Just make people sell. And that's the hard part, is like getting it over. Once it gets over like 10K, it's fine. Just who fucking sold right off the bat, assholes? I think those are just snipers. They just get in and then they sell. And I wonder how you get people to notice it, you know what I'm saying? I think it's just gotta be volume. There we go, someone bought. Okay, now we're cooking. I mean, it looks good to me. I would fuck with it once it gets up higher. Not here though, obviously. I think it's gonna take more money. Hold on, guys. It's gonna take way more money than I thought. I thought $700 would do it, but I don't think that's gonna be near enough. Probably like at least another 700 to even like get it going. That's good to know in the future. Like, you need like a certain amount of money to like get a coin over a certain level. All right, so 1 second while I deposit more. Let's check over here. See how this stupid one is doing. Okay. Go to Coinbase here. What do you guys think so far? Like, I thought it would go better. I thought $750 would be enough. It's kind of surprising to me. I didn't think it would be that expensive. I think maybe I should have just bought all at once. That's just probably what I'm gonna do this time. Instead of like a little bit at a time, I'm just gonna fucking blast it. I think that would be the better. Don't you motherfuckers sell on me either. Like, if I blast it here, like, don't sell. Else it's just gonna go right back down. Okay, now I'm gonna transfer that to and send to crypto. It's alright, I'm about to blast it, so it's good. Oh, did I send that to the right fucking address? Yeah. Come on, Coinbase, you're so slow, dude. All right. There we go. Now we can get over 10, then it will like start showing up and shit. You know what I'm saying? I have too much of it now, so now I need to see. This is why people bundle this shit. This is why coins are bundled, and people always bitch about the bundling. I'm like, it doesn't fucking matter. You have to bundle it. So now I have to send some of this to, I don't know, another wallet, I guess, because I have 10% of the coin. No one's gonna buy it if I have 10%, but they won't buy it if I have 10%. But they'll buy it. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of silly because they won't buy it if I have 10%, but they'll buy it if it's bundled. You know what I'm saying? No, it's the same coin. No, I'm not making a new one. Fuck no. No, definitely not made. This one's good. There's nothing wrong with it. So now I'm gonna have to send like I have 104 million. Let's go and I still need to buy more. We'll just go 0. Fuck, I'm gonna have to send that to like a bunch of different wallets. Hold on, let me see here. So 104, let's just do this. So that's 3, 6, 7, 8. Make sure I got that right. Yeah, if it pumps, yeah, I just need to not have 10% of the fucking float. I would never buy a coin with 10, someone has 10% of it. All right, so is it? Yeah, that's right. All right, now let's see how much I have. Nah, still way too much, so I'm just sending that to a bunch of different wallets, I guess. So this is what happens. This is why people do it, you know what I'm saying? Like you're kind of forced to do it to get the coin even going. So now it makes more sense why they are bundled. All right, so we're bundling shit, guys. Okay, so I have another 300 there. And now I can probably buy some. No, I still have 6% though. Hold on. One more time. I have too many wallets here. Luckily, I have a lot of wallets from like my kid trading and me trading. I don't have any Solana in that. I'm gonna have to send Solana too. Shit. Okay. Jesus. So we'll just send like the rest of it, I guess, in that one. Or half of it, I guess. Yeah, probably half. So. Okay, now I can buy more. Who in the fuck bought 6% of it? Alright, so we're close here. Like, we just need, like, I think at 10K it will start, like, going on its own. I don't have to fucking do this anymore. Did one of you guys buy 6% of it? Like, it's cool if you did. I just want to know. Weird. So maybe someone liked it or something. I don't know. That's odd. Okay. I just need to make sure all these have Solana in them so I can actually sell if I need to. That one's good. And that one's good. Alright, they all have Solana in them. Check, check. Alright, and then I obviously need one more. Okay. Alright, guys. Is it? It might be, I guess. You're probably right. Yeah, I forgot about that. You're probably right. Good looking out. Okay. So, it's kind of like working on its own. I think now I could probably turn this on very slowly. It's interesting though, right? Now we see why they bundle it. You like it. Yeah, it almost seems like you have to, unless you have a community that's really large and you can just like get people to join in. It's tricky. Alright, so I guess I'll just let it cook and we can go trade something else while it's cooking. I can't really buy any more. I could buy more of it, but where am I gonna put it? You know, I wasn't prepared to like. I didn't realize you can get so much of the float so cheap. You know what I'm saying? Like that's pretty on the cheap, for real. And that's how you make a lot of money is you get in coins that are like decent, where they're cheap like that. And then, yeah, that just looks scammy to me. I don't like it. Yeah, you can. Or who are live? Should we go ask Ghosty's chat? Ghosty's chat. What's that? Oh, you mean Tyler? I could post about it again, but let's put it on my Twitter and see what happens. Yeah, I didn't know. I don't know who that is. Yeah, you busted, bro. Yeah, it's still good. I still only have 5%. It's not bad. I'm just gonna set a stop, like right below my break-even price. All right, we'll get to actually trading now. We'll just let this do his thing. See what happens. I forgot to add everybody. All right. You guys have any tickers you're looking at? Yo. What's cracking, bro? Hey, what up, bro? Long time, bro. You haven't been cooking no turkeys, man? What do you think about my meme coin, bro? My competition's kind of doing all right, though. I think it's still going up. Yeah, it's just I saw this narrative like this coin sucks, bro. Like I saw this and I was like, oh shit, this is gonna moon for sure. And then its picture is so fucking ugly that you can't even tell what it is. And I was like, bro, this is not working, dude. Like so it's just like I'll launch one. Yeah, no one's buying it because the website takes you or the Twitter takes you to like not even an actual post about it. No, I'm not selling. I'll let you guys know if I'm gonna sell. Like I'm not gonna like I'm on stream with you guys. Like I can't really sell without y'all knowing. I'm gonna get out of this one though, because I don't want to help the comp. At some point I will sell, but I'm not gonna like just cheat on you guys. I think it can go. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a decent like it's got a nice picture. I think it should go, personally. I don't see a fuck why not. I have all the supply, right? Like I have like all the supply right now. I don't know how much I have, but at least half of it. You think it's too late for it? Why? Because the news is old. Yeah, I was thinking that too, but for how much activity was on that other coin still, the other coin's still pretty active, so I think you know, with like what's running right now, egg shit. So I'm hopefully it's not, but you might be right. Racist. I saw some egg shit earlier that was kind of Solana Farglid. Like, there's nothing really like, you know, as far as a narrative. I'd be worried if there was like a narrative. Have you seen him? What do you guys think it is right now? I haven't really seen one. Let's see here. I guess we can find out by doing this. Alright, so we have turnaround. I don't know what the fuck that is. We have Trump racist, Jeff coin, jail locks. And I can't believe that's still going up. And then we have a 250 Trump bill. A lot of Trump shit. So maybe it's not. Maybe. What is that? Oh, there you go. Steak's good. Fuck with steak. Was there an egg coin that went up like super crazy? Jesus, that's super racist. God. Solana hobo. That's kind of funny. Was there egg meta this morning? It sounds ass. It sounds super ass. Egg meta. Yeah, I saw a lot of egg coins earlier. And I was like, what is going on with these egg coins? So if I'm up $189 in this one, I'm probably up like... Dude, I'm going to start doing this more often. Like, because I'm probably up like... I have five accounts with like 5%, right? So I'm probably up like a G right now. Close to it. Maybe not. Maybe not that much. That needs to be moved up. Maybe I should consolidate this. But I'm probably up pretty big, like, considering this one account I'm up $200. That's quite a bit. More than I thought. From the coins. Because I have it bundled. Like, I'm in, like, I bought all the supply, bro, just to push it up. So, like, each one of these accounts is, I have a, like, this one I have, like, $151 worth, and then this one I have, 200, and then this one I have, 391, and they're all bought pretty much the same market cap, and then I have 115 in this one, 146 in that one. So you see, I have all the supplies, so can you? So I'm guessing I'm probably, if I'm up $176 on it right now, and it's only going 1K up, that's pretty crazy. Yeah, I'm up 2 Solana on this one. Jesus, I'm gonna do this more often, dude. But then how do you get out without killing it? You need exit liquidity. It's all kind of coming together here. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's true. Just a bundler. Yeah, I think I'm gonna probably, like, seems a lot easier than fucking trying to guess which coin's not gonna go get fucking rugged on. You know what I'm saying? You just have to have the money to, like, put in the coin to make it move at all at first. Which, from what we've seen, is like at least $1,000. All right, so we'll give it, we'll give it 20 more minutes, and if it doesn't go, I'll let you guys sell, and then I'm gonna get out. I mean, I'm gonna forewarn you ahead of time, but I'm just letting you know, like, I'll let you know, like, you'll see me selling it, obviously, so it still could go, like, someone could come across it, but I think, yeah, I don't know how you get, I don't know. Yeah, bro, of course, man. I'm not gonna, like, if I sell, like, it's gonna kill the coin, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna do you guys dirty like that. That would be, like, the most fuck shit in the world, dude. Yeah, I'm not one of them dudes, man. Trying to be, but I need more people to fucking buy it. If it just go up like 3K more, it would, like, go. Where are you guys at? Y'all don't have phones? That's like the 5th person that said that to me. Did you share it too? Appreciate that. It's just an experiment, though. It's just to see what's up. I didn't realize it would be this profitable, though. Honestly, I didn't think it would be. You have no Solana? Yeah, I feel you. Yeah, it's just an experiment, anyways. Nice, yeah. Yeah, Phantom needs stop losses, bro. Like, I don't know why I don't, like, give you stop losses. Like, it'd be much better if you had a stop loss to use. Oh, damn. It did cook. Yeah, learning lesson, yeah. It's still, like, extremely, now I kind of get why they geek out and sell all at once, right? Like, I kind of get it. Like, let's say you spent $2,000 to push it up, like I just did, like 1,800, whatever it was, and then now you're up you know, $1,000. Imagine how much it will be at. Imagine if it does, even if it goes to 15K here, like I make like 2Gs if I was to just G'd at once. So I kind of get it, but yeah, I wonder how much they make at like 50K. You know what I'm saying? Like at 50K, they must be up like crazy amount of cash. You know? That's pretty crazy. So it kind of makes sense why they do it. It's fucked up, but at least I kind of get it now. I still don't think it's the right way to go about it, but it does kind of make sense. Yeah, way, way, way more. Yeah, I wanted to migrate. Like, that was the goal, was not to have it stall out here. I think there's like AI that makes it for you. I think there's like websites where you can just have AI make it for you, and then they just like push them out. Yeah, and I didn't let anyone know ahead of time, and it's kind of late in a lot of countries. It was just kind of like a random thought. Yeah, next time I'll like do it ahead of time. I'm gonna do a Market Masters coin once the market heals a little bit more. And I wish I could figure out a way to like. I think there is like there's I could do it on base chain to where it's like revenue sharing, so we would get everyone in the coin would get a percentage of the fees, and then there's like staking, but I just don't know how much activity we'll get on base chain. It's all automated. Let me check it out. Ah, it's just loud. Oh, that's a Telegram bot, huh? Is it? I've seen one of these before. Oh, meme fast? Okay. Yeah, it's not a Telegram bot. That's cool. I got jacked by a Telegram bot the other day, dude. So I don't know if you guys saw it, but when you search CAs, like it would be like, this coin was heavily bundled. I got in early using this tool. So I clicked on the tool. I was like, oh, so it automatically identifies coins that are big bundles in them and gets you in with them. I was like, that's fucking dope. I want in on that. And then it, I deposited like a quarter of a Solana, and then I got 0.0124 or something like that back. It's pretty fucked. Oh, what's the website though? Oh, it's memefast.fun. Gotcha. All right, so someone just bought a full Solana worth and then sold it. The volume is rising here. I think, I don't know, guys. It's tricky. I don't want to buy any more supply. I feel like I'm already like peak supply here. You know what I'm saying? If I buy more supply, like that would just be kind of fucked. Copy trending coins in one click. Interesting. Yeah, I have to check this out. Someone beat me to it. Fuck. Interesting. That's actually pretty cool. That explains how they do it so fast. Alright, what do you guys think? What should we do here? Should we just let it cook and see if it works? Like, someone could pick it up eventually, I don't know. Alright, in the meantime, while we wait, let's check it out. You guys got any coins you're looking at? So I'm gonna change this here. I'm sick of getting blasted on, so I'm gonna I had it lower, but I'm gonna change it back to like 26k. Because I feel like over 26k, the chances of getting blasted on is a lot less. So AI fuck world. That's gonna really ring. That's gonna really go. So I imagine like right here, they must have to buy like a lot of it to get it to do that. Probably like 10k or something. Alright, so we have Crush. This one, I saw this one earlier, kind of interested me. Reverse, I don't know if it's meant like the market, I assume. I do like this one. Let's see if people are talking about it. Oh, Nasdaq's about to fill the gap there, eh? Oh, shit. Fire. God, I hate these fucking dudes, man. Oh, it's actually not a dude hating on it. Amazing. These dudes, man, they gotta go, bro. Are you guys reporting them when you see these dudes? Probably not. You guys gotta report them, man. You got like I do like it though. Let's see what the liquidity looks like here. So it's only 15k liquidity, which isn't very good for this here. So I've been like kind of tracking like what's good and what's bad. Like usually I've been finding it like 100k area. You want it to be like 18 through like 22 is really good. And then like 15 below is a little bit risky. So that means like the liquidity right now, if everyone was to sell there's only 106 Solana available to be sold at one time right now. So, it's not very many. That means it's going to be really volatile, and like if someone does sell a lot, it's going to cause it to crash down. I'm still studying the liquidity because it is really interesting to me how it works. Alright, someone else is selling, guys, so go ahead and get out. I don't know who the fuck is selling like that, but I'll give you guys a minute to go and get out, and then I'm gonna consolidate this all to one account here. Alright. I think it will be like, I think I'll get more out of it if I just, like, if I try to sell through Phantom, I feel like it'll be, like, really slow. Alright, now I know for the future, though, like, what we need to do. Like, we could really make a lot of money, guys, if we, like, did this. Like, we just, instead of chasing coins, we just made our own. Like, we can make a lot of money. And we only need, like, I don't know, like 10, 15 of us to, like, buy in with, like, a Solana or more. I'm sure a lot of groups do that. Or I was thinking we could find, like, coins that are, like, kind of dead and then, like, push them up. I also thought about that. That's not the right fucking account, dude. Christ, it's taking forever, man. Alright, I think that's it on that one there. And then with BullX, I don't know what the fuck BullX is doing. It says 100% loss. Well, where'd it go? Oh, oh, I know what it is. So I already moved it out off of here. It's already on here. All right, you guys all out? I hope so. So I don't think, well, there's 5K liquidity. I should be able to get out. So it says there I'm gonna lose $400 by selling it in a clip. I think either way I'm fucked. I don't think there's any way around it. Not bad. I got 8.69 out of there. Not bad. Yeah, because I deposited 4.8 so I got, yeah, I got back all my money. I just didn't make anything. All right, so experiment over. What do you guys think? Like, it's doable, right? You just got to figure out how to do it better. All right, hopefully you guys probably made a little money, right? I would assume you guys made a little money. If you bought down there at the bottom with me, you still got like, you probably almost doubled up, right? All right, let's see what's popping here. I'm going to withdraw this before I fucking... get silly with it. AJK. All right, now we can go back on trading. Interesting though, right? It's a learning experience. I think I'll probably be doing this on my own a lot though, and just like see how much money I can make, like putting 1,000 into it and then just, you know, cheating. Try to figure out how to make it go faster and better, I guess would be the thing. All right, and let's make some money, guys. All right, I always see this greedy Jew on here. He must just rinse and repeat all day. I see that shit there all day. All right, so we have cry. Can't spell crypto without cry. Okay, it's creative. Oh shit, I didn't see all the comments, guys. Sorry. It was stuck up there. I already streamed in Q. I did Power Hour today, bro. Yeah, I'll give you a link. I didn't see all the shit, my guys, sorry. Yeah. It was a really good stream, though. It's pretty good. Watch that video, set up volume. Everyone knows 24 hours. Yeah, that's the way to do it. You send it to the other wallet. You need more people. Yeah, I agree. It is super interesting, though. Like, obviously, you could see, like, why they're cheating, right? Because at 30K, you're probably up, like, 4x from there. So you'd be up 6, 7K. And then it, you know, I definitely could see it. It's almost like theft, just like a legal way to steal money. It's kind of like an infinite money glitch, really, dude, if you think about it. I sold it. Yeah, it just stalled at 7K. No, you don't want to buy it now. It's I sold everything. Yeah, there just wasn't enough people fucking with it. Yeah, maybe I can make another one if you guys want, but I think it'll be the same situation unless I like let everyone know ahead of time, like this is when I'm doing it, like in advance. So all right, so 12K. This one has really high liquidity for not, but that's that scam coin. Charles Trump Wolf. Eh. Then and Navita coin was the first coin I ever like got like a really big gain on. I think I entered it like 30K and it went to 4 million or something like that. Obviously, I didn't catch it all because I kind of fucked it up by buying and selling a bunch of times. But it was like my first like banger. No, I rugged it. I rugged it. I let everyone sell and then I got out. Like I told everyone, if it doesn't go in 20 minutes, I'm gonna exit, and then right before, yeah, I sold because it wasn't doing anything. It was just stalled out, and it was getting to the point where like if more people started selling, like I don't know who else was in it, and then I would lose money in it. So, and then this is a scam coin here. These are scam coins. So if you guys notice this, guys, like I've been noticing the ones that I do get fucked on are like this, guys, where you see a 0.37, 0.37, and it's really like that's so sketch, guys. That's not how a normal coin looks. It's not every single tick on the percentage is owned. It's kind of random, right? It would be like 0.1, 0.2267, but it won't be like this. This is a bot that bought up all of that in different wallets, I guarantee it. Final pump coins do well. What do you? Oh, the ones that are migrating. Let's look at the top traded coins right now. So we have SHG. I don't know what that stands for. Save Hooters girls. So gay. Chart doesn't look bad though. Very low liquidity though for where it's at. Like there's coins at like 30K that have better liquidity than this. Which doesn't necessarily mean it's going down. It just means if someone sells with size, that there's only 69, now 78 Solana available to be sold. And that's not very many, right? Considering there's 664 people holding this coin and a lot more Solana in it. So the liquidity is like, I think if I can crack it and figure out like how it actually works like thoroughly, I think it would be like a big lever up. So new Shiba, it's a girl Shiba. That's kind of funny. Way late. If you got in down here, it would probably be worth it. These ones are always like a mystery to me too, like, because at some point you had the opportunity to buy it there. Like what? I wish they had a replay on here. It would be super dope. Because then you could replay like what the liquidity looked like, what the volume looked like, what the holders look like, so you could identify these like early. Because I believe, we'll find out here in a second, but I would think it was a scam coin. So remember earlier I was talking in my video, I was talking about this wick right here. All those coins have that, but look at this. Like I would not have fucked with this coin at all. Like there's no way. Yeah, so it popped up there like 4K, came back down, then it had a major pop to like migration, came all the way back down, then up. Interesting. If there's just nothing, I guess we can go to migrated coins. Let's use this AI for training coins. Damn, I can't remember the name of it. Is Leon in here? Are you in here, Leon? I can't remember the name of the bot, dude. But it notifies you of training coins ahead of time. Hold on, I'll find it here. There it is. Dape. This is fire, like in general, but if you go to their website, it's even fire, even better. I found this through the little AI agent that they have there that posts the meme coins, but just like right here when it tells you trending, the coins that pop up here are really like, they're pretty decent. So we have automatic treasury, blah blah blah, 350k market cap, not Pepe. See, it's just we didn't have enough people in it. So this would be a good way to like find out what coins to make, because this is what's popping on Twitter. So then you could just like go off of what's there. All right, let's check out this one. Maybe it's on a dip here. But when the coins first pop up on there, they're like a very high win rate based off of them. We can also check phantoms. What the coins are popping on phantom here. You know, I saw IMG at like a pretty low market cap, man, and I didn't pull the trigger. That's an interesting one there too. Yeah, what's it at now? 12 million. Yeah, I saw it at like 20k. I can't believe this one's still trending. Weird. But I like these coins because they are gonna get attention. Like once they're on that page, they're pretty much on there all night. So I don't know if people pay to get them up there. I would assume something like that. This one's just been chilling here for a long time. So last trade was 23. Yeah, I'm good on that. It does look alright, but there's no website or anything. Let's check out this one here. So I saw this one earlier and it made me laugh. Oh, I wonder why they're having such an issue with the sound, bro. Dare, did you figure it out? Can you guys still hear me though? Oh, okay. Like it literally says how to fix it right above them. What do you mean? You can't hear me at all? Yeah, so that's the issue. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. Let me tell this dude. Yeah, but now you guys can hear me, right? You just have to re-enter the space, right? I don't know why it's doing that. I've had a lot of issues with the sound over the time because like sometimes when I start them, like I can't hear anything either. I think it's worth keeping on my radar, but I'm not gonna like buy into size with it here. I don't really see any edge. Let's look at migrated. I guess the only thing is like either this or migrated coins. I guess I can lower this a little bit. All right, so here's one that says 100x receipt. I don't know what that means, but see that how it's 11, 11, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15. That's a most likely it's going to be one that they like drop on your face randomly right before it migrates or some shit, which sucks because I like it. But you see that there, guys? Like that is not normal. Diego, that's kind of funny. All right, so there's a lot of coins that are migrating, and then they are going up a few 100K after that. So we'll work on those. But you guys see how maybe I'm tripping. Maybe it's just I feel like it's not like that though. So I'm checking SoulScan to see how old this wallet is. So it only holds one token, that one. Let's check another one. Just a random here. Because most people don't have just one token in their wallet. So this one has a couple different ones. Alright, so that's a real person. Alright. I don't know, it's risky, but okay, I actually like this one, guys. Like, I like it. I'm not sure about this volume. They're not the volume, but the holders. It seems a little suspicious to me. But one thing I noticed that there is multiples here, which usually the ones that are like the ones that are gonna like top blast you, like pretty much sell in one clip. Usually there's not a bunch of multiples. Usually it's like kind of perfect. What I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start screenshotting this shit beforehand. So then I want to figure it out. Because if I could just figure out which coins are going to one clip me, I can make like infinite money. It's just I don't know how to exactly tell. Because it doesn't matter if they're bundled or not. That's not a way to tell anymore. Because most coins are bundled. So let's go ahead and screenshot this and then save it just in case it happens here so I can study it. I don't know you guys, but like I would really want to figure that shit out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and enter, it's kind of a bad area to enter into. Maybe I'll dollar cost average into it. I don't really like that it's declining there either. But there's people posting about it. I guess it technically is still like rising volume. We had a down move here. Oh, and another thing, guys, this will help you a lot too. So if you look at the volume, right, on down moves, you want to see the volume decrease, and up moves increase. That means more buyers are buying in, right? So what you'll see, especially on migrated coins, when they're about to like have that bigger drop, you'll get the volume where on buys, the volume will go up with it. Like the volume will go up, and then down, it will go down. But then when the selling really starts, like let's say it goes back up one more time, the volume makes a new high with it, and then you'll get like a big down candle. Then you'll get like a volume spike. It'll be like a volume spike right there, but the candle went down. Does that make sense? All right, let's see how bundled this fucking thing is real quick. You guys got any questions or anything? I hate like just like I feel like I'm just talking to myself. So if you guys could be a little bit active in the chat, ask some questions, and that would be great. Or just like say what's up. Hey, okay. What's up, bro? Was that an accident? Yeah, if you guys want to speak, like we can turn this into like a voice channel. Like you guys can talk too if you want. Let's put it into Trump or this Trench Radar bundle viewer. Okay, so here's a new one here, Jupe Printer. I like this one. It's too late though. Yeah, you can request to speak, man. I think you just request, right? That's like how it works. Yeah, since there's only 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, we could go in the voice chat if you guys want. And you guys want to do that? To the scanning room? Because, yeah. Okay, so it's not super bundled, right? Like it's only 6% bundled anymore. Yeah, so you would just like right here, it says held percentage. That's how much is remaining bundled. So it was at one time, it was bundled 33%, but now it's only 6.52%. So whoever bundled it probably obviously the dude that made it is kind of smart here and getting out ahead of it. They're just kind of smart. I like this one too, Juke Printer. This is kind of like that coin that we just saw at 2 million. Remember? Same kind of like structure to it. Almost the exact same structure that we saw just a little bit ago. That I said it would have been great if you would have got this one like way down there before it made that big move. I think this is very similar here. I'm not going to put a lot on it because, you know, it still looks a little scammy to me. But I think... what do you mean not supported? What do you mean? Oh, they don't allow you to trade these kind of tokens on here. These are the tokens that I was reading about earlier. Yeah, hold on. Let me buy this token in Bullux. Maybe it'll let me trade it. We'll see here. But these ones that are like where, yeah, you'd have to read about it. It's a little bit complicated, but they're a little bit different type of coin. Let's see if it lets me buy it here. Fuck. Alright, so it was like 0 point. So if you guys could like, what would be the perfect meme coin to you? This I was just thinking in my head, like what if I wanted a meme coin, like what would I want it to be about? And what would I want it to represent? For me, it'd be like something really positive, like traders winning in some kind of way. Oh, this is like so suspect. It's barcoding though, which means that there's bots in it trading it, which are stabilizing it. All right, so let me adjust the settings on the scanning room here so more people can enter. Just that if you're like somewhere loud though, go ahead and mute yourself if you don't want to speak or something. It's the wrong fucking room. I know there's a way to adjust how many people are allowed in there. I just can't remember how I did it. Let me get Alexis in here, dude. Yeah, I can. What's up, bro? That's a good question. That's very hard, man. So I can show you a couple things here that I look for. How to adjust the max people in the scanner room. Okay, so like for me personally, like let me go back to here. I like to use the liquidity a lot, so let's go to that coin I just entered into. the liquidity is like a good way to look at it. It's not like a horrible way. So if the coin is dipping, like my rule is if it goes below 10.5K, then I like to exit. You know, especially if it goes below 9 on a, yeah. Oh, gotcha, gotcha. So for me personally, I want to keep losses as small as I possibly can. And then I can always re-enter, but I can't get the money back. So for me, like 20% is like about as much heat as I want to take. Yeah, unless I'm trying to like dollar cost average in it or something. Like if I like really believe, then I'll allow a little bit more than that. But I think if you're losing over 50% on a trade, it's gonna be really hard to be profitable. Yeah, yeah, I like it. Are you talking about like buying more? So if it dips, I'll just like it, like so if it's not, are you talking like beyond that 20% or under? Oh, I would just exit and then wait for yeah. So I would still exit because it depends. So most coins, like most days, usually have like a theme of migrated coins, especially like earlier in the week, it was like they would migrate, they would pop up, hit like 200K, and then they would do like an 80% retracement, consolidate, and then go back up. So then I would just wait for that move here. Like I would try to enter in here and see if it would go, but then I would keep my stop like right under that low, like pretty much right now. Like imagine it's migrated, and then I would like, okay, if I get stopped out there, then I'm gonna wait for that, and it's usually an 80% retracement. Right now, it's kind of like a different market. It seems like they're kind of running after migrating. Yeah, I know. Yeah, yeah. Like stop loss, you want to put it under some kind of like one thing I also like to do. You want to like kind of like I think of it as like hiding my stop behind something. So let's look at like this coin here. We'll like check it out. So like let's say I wanted to enter in this coin as soon as it loads here. No, that's a horrible. That's a horrible one. That's a horrible one. Hold on, that was a bad one. All right, let's check out this one. So I want to hide my stop behind like a low or something like that. Especially I want to look at the volume and see like is there a high volume spike there? So like there's a really high volume spike like right in this area here. So like I wouldn't even risk the 20% here. If I wanted to enter here, I'd be like, okay, I don't want to see that low hold because you got to think people also are going to have their stops there. Like let's say I entered here, I would just put my stop right under there. Risk as much as the least amount you can. Because like if it gets stopped out there, it's going to speed up downward because everyone else's stops are selling. So if you bought to get in, you have to sell to get out, and everyone does sells too. Does that help? You getting more? Hey, I appreciate the questions, man. I was just like sitting here like fuck. I don't have anything else to say. Yeah, if you have that in that inner voice, you gotta listen to that, especially when it comes to like taking losses and stuff. Because we all know, we all have that feeling like, fuck, I'm about to get wrecked. I need to get out of this, and we'll ignore it. But usually it's usually right for the most part, especially on losses. I found for me personally. Yeah, no, you're fine. Yeah, that's a seconds. Yeah. I think that's just people being greedy bitches. I don't really know. I'm having the same I'm having the same issue happen to me, dude. I don't know how to. I'm trying to identify like why and like, but they're good coins and they're like ripping. So I don't understand like Like it'd be like on this coin, for example. Once it starts going up here, they would just like, wow, how low of a market cap are you entering in on? Yeah, no, they'll drop the whole coin, all of it in one clip. Yeah, that's the worst. What market cap are you entering in on? If you go a little bit higher of a market cap, what's that? I think you got. Oh, I said like what market cap? What market cap are you entering in at? Like on coins that happens on. Yeah, that's a level it's been happening to me too. Yeah, yeah. So sometimes on those like if it's like a decent coin, I see volume coming in, I'll buy the dip and try to get out at break even. But that's a dangerous game to play though too. Yeah, the market's been it's been horrible the last couple days. Personally, I've been getting wrecked just because of that one that the dude's just selling in one all in one clip, stopping me out, and then my stop doesn't trigger until all the way down there, and then I like it's like a 90%. It's pretty much a full 100% loss is what it is, and it fucking sucks. Like last night, I no, I think we're all dealing with this. Anyone else, agree with what he's saying? Like you guys having the same shit happen to you? 70 or 50K market cap, magical. Is that where you're entering in at? Yeah, I think it might be a decent level. So that worked out. That was just a trade, random trade. So today the coins are kind of like running after migration, which is interesting. My sometimes it seems to change. You need to. That's because yeah, that's because of last week it was like that. But then this tonight's market's a little bit different. It seems to change. Yeah, it's sometimes. Yeah, it kind of fluctuates. Like I liked last week, early last week when the coins would like push up and then kind of like push down after migration, because then it gave me like a really low risk, high reward opportunity to get in. But today it seemed like they're just kind of like taking like this one migrated and went. Dude said happened to me earlier. I had accidentally dropped an entire soul into a new pair meant to do one. Couldn't even. Yeah, you can't even get out, dude. It's just gone in one clip. I hate that. That like no, I think it's just and they look good. Like there's nothing wrong with it. The holders are straight. Like everything's good. And that's a no. It's just straight up legit. Everything looks straight. Like the coin's trending. The shit's funny. People are talking about it, and then it's just bam. Yeah, last night I threw my mouse against the wall because I got one clipped like that. It just made me so mad. Just like infuriated me. Yeah. Yeah, but it's just like mad. It's like frustrating because it's such greedy bullshit. It's just like such like I don't know. It's unreasonable. It's not reasonable. Like yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and the week before that, it was like every coin that hit my filter was like fire and would migrate. So then it was like I don't know. It's maybe they switch it up. Or maybe they rotate. I don't know. It's a new actor. Like it'd be like this coin. I would get into it, and then like right now, like watching it, it'd be like boom. Is that where you're like 3 seconds into the trade, it would hit it? Yeah, it's frustrating. All right, so you guys want to move over to the voice chat? I think it'd be more. I think it'd be better and more interactive. That's for sure. Let me see if he said he was gonna fix it here. Let me see if he did. Because there's a 10% limit on there right now. So, and then one thing I like to look for, guys, is like if you see like a bunch of selling like that, it's usually not good. Yeah, your phone's cutting out, bud. Oh, here it is. I found it. Never mind. All right, so we'll just turn that up. All right, so let's head over here, guys, and it's right here under the scanning room here. Let's just head over there. It'll be better. Yeah, you guys know where it's at, though. Okay. All right, let's go over there, guys. It'll be better over there. All right, hold on, guys. Let me just mute that person. All right, you guys good? I'm gonna go ahead and mute that person. All right. All right. Now you guys can talk freely and shit. Like as long as like no one's like yelling and shit, we should be good. All right, what's up, guys? You can talk. So we have Peanut AI. I thought this one would do better. This one right here, one soul, just one soul. But let's check out this one. Just buy one soul, it's worth nothing. I don't like that's kind of negative against Solana. I don't think that's going to do very well. Yeah, no one's really buying it. It must be really bundled or something. All right, what's up, guys? Yeah, I can hear you now. What's up? What up, Hellbound? What up, man? What up, Magical69? It's a voice chat. Let's get it on. Does it? Yeah. Yeah, my internet does that sometimes. All right, so we have eye popped out of eyes. It's kind of odd. Yeah, yeah, no worries. I think I've been on here for quite some time, so I'm probably gonna wrap it up here in a little bit, anyways. So I like how this one popped up here and it's holding this here. Volume's increasing very quickly. It's kind of funny. I don't really know what it's about, but I think coins are kind of running after migration. So just want to give it 1 second here. Wait for it to get over 10K liquidity here. I don't like that it's under 10K. All right, there it goes. Let's see if we can hold that 10K liquidity. I don't watch the candles right now. I'm watching the liquidity because it will kind of like fake you out. Sometimes the coin will look like it's going to go down, but the liquidity is rising. And that's what you want to see. Nah, they tricked me. Yeah, that's why I just got out of it real quick. Yeah, I'd rather just take that like little 3% loss and then just I can always re-enter, but I can't get it back if it goes to that down. That's the way I look at it. Like I can always get it back, but yeah, it's like, especially in futures trading, I had to learn that the hard way. I used to always take really big losses, and I kind of just had to learn to like, just if I don't feel right about it, I just get out. You can always re-enter. A lot of people don't like that in their trading for some reason. It's kind of, I don't know, like naturally we just don't want to re-enter something we exited with a loss at for, I don't know, it's like some kind of bias or something within us, but it's definitely good. Is there someone still talking that's bugging you? Yeah, you just click over here and then you click on their name, and then you can just by clicking on their name right there, and then you right click, and then you can like, there's like some, like this person was being really loud, so I muted them. All right, so it is holding this area here, but the liquidity is decreasing, right? So you'd want to kind of like avoid that until you see it go up. See that? So it kind of foretold what was going to happen here, because that's really low liquidity. A coin at like 15K has a higher liquidity than that. And then so by looking at the liquidity there, it should save you from like entering into these coins before they do that. Damn, this one already doubled since I looked at it. Let's so Peanut AI, huh? So when I first saw it, it was like down. It's at 300K now. Let's see what people think about it. Damn, she's still talking. I'm kicking her out of here, dude. All right, so you guys get better. I'm sure, like, she was just like rambling on. Yeah, she was just sitting in here, I think. Yeah, not good. I mean, it looks good here. It's just like kind of high for me personally. But whenever I do this, like, I want to keep an eye on it. I'll just buy like a 25 cents worth just so I can keep an eye on it. Yeah, because I always like lose track of them. Um, that's a good question. I'm not sure on here because I don't think these wallets have the same rent system as it does on Bullux. On Bullux, it would definitely be costing you at least 0.01 at least, you know. But I don't think they have the same rent thing on here, from what I've seen. But yeah, you're right. You're right. If you did do that on like Bullux, it would cost you, yeah. That's Bullux stealing it from. Are you using Bullux? Yeah, they're the same shit, different company, same thing though. They're stealing from you. Like I went through Axiom, I went through Bullux, I went through all of them, and I like they were just stealing my money, dude. Like that's the way I looked at it. Like it was just theft of funds, in my opinion. I had I had over $3,000 missing out of my from my account, like just unaccounted for, like totally unaccounted for. It was like no, yeah. So I don't have that same problem with Ape at all. Weird. No, you're not. They're just taking money from you, dude. That's the way I look at it because those tools that they offer you are great, right? The tools are amazing, like the bundler checker, the Twitter tracker, the wallet trackers, but that costs money, and they have to pay for it some way. And then they're paying their affiliates out the ass too. Like affiliates on Axiom and Bullx get paid very well. So how's the company making money then if they're giving 50% of the fees to their affiliates, and then they're also paying for all these tools that are quite expensive, I'd imagine, to like run the run all of them, right? So plus marketing, social media, just like normal business. It makes me wonder, like, I think that's where the money comes from, probably. Hmm. Yeah, the P&L, yeah. I think you were trying to ask like how much of it would be deducted when you buy or sell, I would think. Yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, it's hard to say. I don't know. I know that there's a rent, like a way to get your money back is to put your, like, how you sign, about that, like where you can get it back through the incinerator. Oh, right, right. Yeah, that's a good question, man. I'm not quite sure. I think you should try, like, what's your average loss? Whatever your average loss is at, that's where you should like first look to take profit. If your average loss is like 30% of your trade, you want to be like taking profit, at least that much or more in percentage wise, or else you'll just end up losing money. Yeah, because if like just like your biggest winning day needs to be like twice as much as your biggest losing day, just like your winning trades need to be twice as much as your losing trades. Somewhere around there after fees, fuck ups, um, you know, yeah. No. Yeah, I would at least shoot for like at least 50% gains at least. Otherwise you're not even covering the fees, probably. Yeah. Yeah. That's what it is. Like so you need, like, you either need to enter in with more money, or like if you're entering with small amounts, you need to get X's. Like you need to be shooting for like 200, 300%. Because even if you're making money with like let's say you enter in with $5, even if you sell at 7, you're not gonna really make anything after fees and all that shit. So you need to be like consistently trying to get like at least 100% or so. I think that's really the only way to make money in this game is like catching a little bit bigger winners or entering in with bigger size, and then you can like have a little bit more wiggle room because the cash money will like make up for it, I think. 20%. Well, if you think, yeah, if you think 10%, that's $5. So 20% would be $20. Um, that would be $10. So then it's $10. Still not that much. I don't know how much in fees they would charge you, but yeah, I definitely think you should be shooting for higher risk to reward ratios. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys are struggling on here, I would suggest that you try futures trading. It's a lot easier. This market was great before that fucking Trump coin, man. That Trump coin and then the Africa coin and then the Libra coin, it wrecked this market. It took all the liquidity out of the market. They took everyone's money. They just took everyone's money and now there's no one else left to trade. So this market's really tough right now. Everyone's broke because they just stole everyone's money. Before then, though, it was a whole different. I would say that futures trading was harder, and meme coin trading was easier because it was just a lot easier. I mean, it was pretty easy. Like Nasdaq, yes, Nasdaq, like futures trading, like so they're futures contracts. They're just the old, yeah. So the yeah, you can buy. Yeah, there's pretty much any kind of contract you can think of, you can buy. So instead of it's kind of like a stock, but it works off of a point system. So every dollar that this moves, I make or gain. I either lose or gain $20. And then the beautiful, beautiful thing about this is that to trade it, you would need. So if I want to trade one Nasdaq contract, I would need to put up $500 in margin. So that's a lot of money, right? So then prop firms came up with the idea, well, if you pass a test, we'll give you the money to for the margin, quote unquote. But so you really don't even have to put up your own money. You don't even have to put up your own money. You just have to be able to trade. If you can trade, though, if you can't trade, eh, it's a long cycle. But yeah, but it's actually better because I've actually figured out how the algorithms. This market's all ran by algorithms because there's so much money in this market, like trillions of dollars a day. Um, so it's all ran by algorithms, and I actually figured out how these algorithms operate within these markets. No, that's the thing. You buy an evaluation with one of these companies, and then right now it's like $15 with one. So let's say you like were able to pass their evaluation. You would pay the $15 for the evaluation, then you'd activate the account, so you'd be in $115. And then depending on the company, they're going to there's like payout cycles and stuff. Like once a week you can take a payout, right? So like on certain companies, the company I like, they just let you take out money when you want. So I put in a total of in the account, I put in a total of $180, and then on Friday I withdrew $1,000, and then when I make more money, I'll withdraw it. So I have a whole channel about that as well. So that's how I made my money in trading. Like I didn't make it from meme coins. Like I made it from trading futures through prop firms. Yeah, that's yeah, it was probably verified trader funding. It was I was trying to yeah, that's probably what it was. So that's a YouTube that goes with that website. Yeah, I put it it's in the chat. It's in it's in the chat. I put the YouTube channel in the chat. Yeah, it's right here. You gotta like it will show up right here as like the chat, show chat.
I can just DM it to you real quick.
Anyone else have any other questions? So you guys got any more questions before I wrap it up here? Like, is this you, bro? Is this your? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Fuck. You always make it so difficult here. Oh no, no, no. That wasn't me. You gotta watch out. There's like people faking to be me, so be careful. Yeah, we've never chatted before, so I just messaged you. Yeah, if you guys, I will never DM you guys first, like without talking to you in like the chat or something. Like, I'm not gonna do that. So I am going long Peanut AI here. I really like this here. The liquidity is insanely high for a dip like that. It just blasted up. It's curling up here. It looks really fire. Like this is what I've been kind of like waiting for here. So I'm gonna go in with like yeah. Yeah, you really wanna like it's tricky though. This market's very tricky. I was gonna say you really want to buy on dips, but uh it doesn't seem to really make a difference. Yeah. And there she goes, ripping. Beautiful. But you see this curl up here, guys, like this. This is how I originally got profitable with meme coins. Was looking for this curl here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. How do I hide that? It doesn't matter. Okay, so if you zoom out here, like this curl here is just beautiful. So this is how I originally got profitable because I tried the after migration, I tried the pre-migration, just nothing fucking worked. But I found that if I waited for rounding, like this rounding kind of circular motion, like circular formation here, you call it cup and handle if you want, whatever you want to call it, it's like a half circle here. And I started like studying how these like form, and usually they always begin with like a double bottom. So if we drop down here on a 1 second, you'll see it. And so now I'm up $44 in the trade, not bad. So right here's the double bottom. Yeah, it's right there. So they always start out the same way for the most part. There's like a rare one every once in a while. So it comes down, it drops down, pushes up, makes a double bottom, and then it pushes up again, right? And usually you'll get a break of this high and then a retrace, and then this is where you won't see the rounding until this move here happens. Before that, it just looks like that, right? It's starting to round, but you really want to be entering in on this like this move down here after the double bottom, like right here. That's the move you have the double bottoms right here. So you have one bottom, and then there's the double, which is just two bottoms at the same level, and then price pushes back up, pulls back down again, and then there you have like the rounding. Now you can see the rounding once you zoom out, but in that moment it wouldn't really look like that, right? It just looked like that. So I got in kind of late here, but yeah, that's how I got profitable, was trading these, and I ended up hitting like some really big trades. You know, because all-time new high from like right here in 168, you're talking about a 10x, like, right? Even if you catch half of it, you're cooking. So if you're new to meme coins, I would suggest that you stick with that strategy because it's going to be the easiest one. You can even wait for the rounding to appear, and like you just won't get as much out of the trade, but you'll still, like, where I'm about to make 2x here in any second here. But if you can enter in before it's noticeable, it's better. But even if you wait till like right here, you're still golden, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, because I looked at the liquidity. The liquidity on a dip like this, if it was going to die, would be like 8, 9K or maybe 11 or something. But it's at 33K, which is very high for a coin that's been going down. And then what made me buy was like that because I was thinking about buying, and then I pushed up really aggressive there. So I was like, fuck it. And then it retraced. So I was like, I might as well pull the trigger there. Because this coin pushed up and then it retraced back down. And that's like right when I entered. But I probably should have took some profit. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Yeah, check out that channel. And then the whole other half of this Discord is dedicated to like prop firm trading with futures. Like that's what this Discord was like originally for. I just happened to get into meme coins and like, you know, I just happened to like get into it. So I kept talking about it, but no one was really like interested. So from the future side, because they're not like fuck meme coins. Like I'm not a degenerate. And I was like, damn, I need someone to talk to about this shit. So I was like, I'll just start making content about it. No, 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 no. That's not me. No, that's not me. So there's a difference in my name. Like they'll usually have like some variation of my name. Um, like if we go to block him, and then if you go to report, there's a report section. If you want to report him, that'd be cool. The moderators try to get rid of all of them, but they seem to be flying in. Like the more popular I get, the more of them are showing up. I probably need to change my profile again. So if we look here, you can't see my name. What's that? Do you really? Every day? Did you? That's crazy. That's smart. That's smart because yeah, and I'm not even that popular. I can't imagine like dudes that are like really popular. Like they probably have like I think I have a lot of goodwill with the people though, so I guess it would probably be better than someone that's popular with no goodwill. I was trying to show you my name, but anyways, I can't see it because I have the streamer mode enabled. But if you'll see my name, it's like it's usually some variation of it. It's not the correct name. Yeah, what did he get money from you, bro? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I won't be hitting you guys up. Yeah. That's a super red flag. All right, so there's a pretty big push there. It should be 2x here in a second. Yeah, but I won't hit you guys up for anything like that. I don't even have time to answer DMs alone to like send them, you know, to random people like or people that I haven't really had contact with before. So yeah, I'll definitely do that if like you know like we like on streams or something build like some kind of like a friendship or something. But before that, no. And I usually won't. I'll let you know on stream like, hey, I'm gonna DM you or like something like that. All right, there it is. Oof. One more push here and we got the 2x off of that. And now I want to take out my original investment. So at 2x, and that will make the trade 100% free. That's always my goal is to like, depending on how much I believe in the coin, like I haven't even looked into what this is. I have no idea, so I don't really believe in it. But it's usually just to get out that original investment at 100% gain because then it's free. It's on the house. Like I have even if it went to zero, I wouldn't lose a dime, right? Like that's where I want to be, and then I can put my stop at break even, and that guarantees me a winning trade, no matter what. And it's just like stress free. It's like going to the casino and gambling and like not having to, like you get to keep playing, but you don't have to put up any more money, but you still win more money. That's how I look at it. All right, there it is, just about. So I'll take out 50% here. My son, he likes to do like 70%. For whatever reason, he finds a lot of success with that. It's a YouTube. It's verified trader funding YouTube. It shouldn't be a university. Yeah. And just watch some of the videos on there, and then like understand what those companies are about. Most of them are like reviews about those companies, and then you'll get like a good idea like what they are if you're interested in it. But it's literally like it's the truth, because there's not much, you're obviously, if you're not a good trader, they're going to take your money and you're just going to lose the tests. But if you can learn how to beat the test, that's like my shit, then it's like, yeah, it's just amazing is what it is. It's almost too good to be true. Yeah, there you go, man. Yeah, and then, yeah, that's where most of my streams are for that shit. So I would suggest anyone that's listening to that, check it out, see if it's for you. If it's not for you, it's not for you, but you want a market that's more predictable to make like a living from, like that's the market, man. Yeah. I get obsessive about things, so I've been on a meme coin trip for quite some time. But before that, it was this. I got really good at trading on here with really high leverage, like Bitcoin trading. And then I've been hooked on futures trading for years now, though. The money's it's really good. All right, you guys, any more questions? Oh, you're back now? Oh, it went down like right after we got started, huh? Oh, gotcha. Oh, shit, you guys see that pop there? Damn, boy. Oh, they're gonna sell it all the way back down. Oof, bastards, man. Why do they do that? It should pop right back up though. People are gonna see that and get all feeny about it. That was a 10x. That was like a 3x, 4x right there. This happened to me one time, like my first, like I'd say my second really big trade. Um, like I bought in a coin that had just migrated, it dipped down like that, and it was kind of like dead there. I bought it, and then I went back to trading another coin. I came back, and it went from like 20K to 2 million, like a kind of pump like that. Damn. All right. So now this is where I want to take some off, right? I'm up 200%, up $300. Definitely taking 50% off here. It could still pump. $155. Yeah, very nice. So this just shows like the, yeah, for sure. And this is like what it did all last week. Every good coin did this. It would push up, hit like a really high market cap, maybe 500K to a million, all the way back down, make you think the bitch was dead, and then fucking come back and pump. Like a lot of coins, I don't know if you guys experienced this last week, but I'd be like, hey, I was in that coin. Like I'd see it later, like at a couple mil. I'd be like, dang, man. Very cool. All right, so I'm tempted. What do you guys think? I should sell some more? I feel like I should a little bit, because I still have $500 in it. That's quite a bit. I wish it would update. It's not updating. Yeah, see how the volume is speeding up here? It's very healthy. Very healthy here. So now I'm trying to think about like where I should, like, if it goes down, like where should I be like, okay, I need to take like 70% off from here. And I'm thinking like if it goes below, I'm gonna put a trend line here. If it breaks the trend line, that usually will send the coin like going lower. So I don't want to have to like it's the worst when it like goes up like this and then you hold it and it has to come all the way back down and you end up taking an L. That's like the worst to me. But I want to let this $500 like multiply though too. And the liquidity told it all. So we had the curling up, which was check one, and then the unusually high liquidity. Like the liquidity was like rocking 30K on a dip, which, all right, so in this one I'm going to sell out at least 50% more. Because it shouldn't be doing that like trend line breaking shit. I don't like that. Yeah, see that? See that, guys? See it? Slippage tolerance not met. Oh, I need my slippage is low. I sold it all, I think. No, I sold 50%. Okay. Right? It's lagging, so I don't know. But you guys saw how it broke the trend line and then it went whoop. Like, trend lines are very important, I found, with meme coins. Like, there's like, so I'm like really big into technical analysis and market structure. And when I got into meme coins, it sucked because none of it really worked very well. But there are a few things like trend lines. Once resistance, you flip that into support. So like this acted as resistance here, right? Like this high in this area here. So you could be able to flip it in the future. Must be up here then. Yeah, and you flip this high into support. So you see on the dip there, it held that high there with the trend line. Like that's a, see how it created that X there? That's a pretty fire. I see that a lot. Like that area right there. So you have this acted as resistance. Price couldn't get above it for a minute there. Finally broke it, came back, tested that same high. And then it also lines up with the trend line, creating this X here. That's very fire. Alrighty, guys. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I don't want to like, yeah, no problem, guys. Yeah, hopefully you guys learned something, and yeah. Alright, guys. You guys have a good night. I'll catch you later. Yeah, peace out.